Welcome back to Excel Magic. Today, I will show you how to use text to columns in Excel. This tool helps you split data in one column into multiple columns. It is very useful when you have names, addresses, or other combined data. Let's get started. Here, we have a list of full names and age in column. First name, last name and age are in the same cell. We want to separate them into 3 columns. Step 1 is select the column that contains your data. In our case, we select full name and age. Step 2, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Then I'll click on Text to Columns. A wizard will open. It will ask how your data is separated. Choose Delimited. If your data uses spaces, commas, or other characters to separate values, click Next. Now choose the delimiter. For our example, we select space and comma. You can see a preview of how your data will split. Click Next. Choose where you want the split data to appear. By default, it will overwrite the original column. To keep the original, select another column as the destination. Click Finish. Click on OK. Now the first name appears in the first name column, last name appears in the last name column, and age appears in age column. That's it. Your data is now clean and separated. So, that is how you use text to columns in Excel. It's quick, easy, and saves a lot of time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more Excel tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.